Becoming a plant parent isn't always a walk in the park. It's an adventure, an exploratory journey that takes you into the heart of nature, right at your own home. As you delve into the world of plant parenthood, you will embark on a voyage of discovery, learning, and growth. The first step of this journey is understanding the challenges that lie ahead. It's like stepping onto a mysterious path lined with wilting leaves, pesky insects, and the enigmatic brown spots. These botanical problems can seem like an insurmountable mountain, but they are merely bumps on the road that lead to a fulfilling journey. Wilting leaves are a plant's way of communicating that it's thirsty. It's a silent cry for help, a plea for hydration. When you see your plant's leaves wilting, it's an indication of stress, typically emanating from a lack of water. Your plant is parched, like a traveler lost in a desert, reaching out to you for an oasis. This is your cue to water your green friends, slowly, gently, until the soil is moist but not soggy. Bear in mind that balance is key. Just as underwatering can cause wilting, overwatering can lead to other complications. Too much water can suffocate the roots, depriving them of the oxygen they need to survive. Moving on to the second challenge, the tiny critters that lurk on your plants. These insects might seem harmless, but they can wreak havoc on your green babies. They are unwanted guests that need to be expelled, and for that, we introduce you to your new best friend, neem oil. This organic pesticide is a miracle worker when it comes to dealing with plant pests. It's like a protective shield for your plants. Spray it onto your plants, and those insects will scurry away. But remember, getting rid of the bugs is just half the battle. Maintaining a clean environment and inspecting new plants before introducing them to your space are crucial preventive measures. Next, let's unravel the mystery of the brown spots. These spots often indicate overwatering or improper drainage. They are a warning sign, alerting you to divert your watering habits. If you've been generous with the watering can, it's time to shift gears. Plants, akin to humans, need a balance of water and air. Overwatering can lead to root rot, a condition that is detrimental to the survival, but these challenges are not insurmountable. They are part of the journey, teaching you about the nuances of plant care. Just like humans, every plant is unique. Each species, each individual plant comes with its own set of needs. Understanding these needs, interpreting the signs your plant gives you, is part of the joy of plant parenthood. The tone of the leaves, the color of the soil, all of these are clues helping you understand your plant better. Becoming a plant parent is about fostering a relationship with these living beings. It's about understanding them, caring for them, nurturing them. It's a journey that embodies patience, learning, and growth. As you care for your plants, you not only help them flourish, but also grow yourself. It's a symbiotic relationship that helps both of you thrive. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Plant parenthood, like any other form of parenthood, is a learning process. A wilted leaf, a brown spot, or a plant that didn't survive are lessons, not failures. Every mistake is a stepping stone towards growth. Every step forward a cause for celebration. You're trying, learning, and that's what matters. So gear up for this green journey. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and enjoy each moment. It's not just about adding a decorative touch to your home, but about embarking on a fulfilling journey. A journey that leads to growth, understanding, and a closer connection with nature. Welcome to the world of plant parenthood.